Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is not my house, this is my sister's house in Navi Mumbai, and this place is like full of nature and surrounded by mountains and greenery. जब भी मैं उस शहर के एरिया से बोर हो जाती हूँ या फिर मुझे ब्रेक लेना होता है तो मैं यहाँ पर आ जाती हूँ और सच में मतलब ये पूरा एरिया और ये दीदी का जहाँ पर मेरी फ्लैट है वो इतना खूबसूरत है और ये जगह इतनी खूबसूरत है कि जितना भी स्ट्रेस और जितना भी वो हेडेक होता है ना मेरे दिमाग में महीने भर का, वो मैं यहाँ पर आकर रिलीज़ कर देती हूँ एंड फिर मैं फ्रेश माइंड से बॉम्बे जाती हूँ वापस. And also my sister has a good huge washrooms over here which I don't have in my apartment. It's very small. I like my sister's flat more and I want to tell you guys one thing that I'm jealous of her. So today I'm going to give a shower to my Heer and so that you guys can also see that like how I maintain her and you know, I don't know how much I will be able to cover it because there is no one else to record the video, but yes, I will just show you like what all things I use and how I just prepare her bath area, her shower thing and everything. Oh yes, she's here, she's going to take a shower. You're very very dirty, okay? She has no idea that she's going to take a shower now. No, she started running already. So I'm going to use these two shampoos. One is a regular shampoo, which is very very mild, you know, and one shampoo damp leaf, which I'm specifically using right now because it's a shade season and sometimes they get fleas and she's a Persian cat, so they're very high maintenance, so you will have to protect their hair from dandruff, from mites, from fleas. So yes, otherwise this is a all-time regular mild shampoo which you can use on your body anytime. हमेशा याद रखिए कि जब भी शावर देते हैं ना कैट्स को तो उनकी पूरी बॉडी को आप पहले वो करते हो लेकिन उनके फेस एरिया को आप भिगाते नहीं हो बिल्कुल भी, तो वो एकदम एंड में आपको उनके फेस एरिया को क्लीन करना होता है because they really don't like water on their face and you'll have to protect their ears also from the water. So yes, now let's start. I'm going to bring her back. So I'm gonna dry her up a little bit with a towel and then I will blow dry her and comb her hair. So this is how she's looking after a shower, very thin. Heer, come out, I'll have to blow dry you, babu. Heer. Mom is sweating. Mom is making some spinach puris. Puris here. And along with puris, she had made this aloo parwal sabji, which I'm going to have after a very very long time. Oh. Hi guys, so I just received my product from Nath and आपने मेरा शॉर्ट्स देखा होगा जिसमें मैंने अपनी रीसेंट डिस्कवरी के बारे में बताया था अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट विच आई हैव जस्ट डिस्कवर्ड अ मंथ बैक एंड आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इट. तो मैंने वहाँ से सिर्फ बॉडी स्क्रब ऑर्डर किया था एंड आई लव्ड इट सो मच that I ordered few more products and I'm going to give all these products to my mom as a gift. So it's a surprise for my mom. So yes, I ordered this fresh 2 minutes bath Upton which I ordered last time also and I loved it. I ordered it again. I've ordered this fresh hair nutri mask and this fresh daily Upton. So these are the 4 products which I have ordered. I ordered this methi gel which has a rosemary, sage, which is frizz control, sheen and cuticle protection. I'm facing a lot of issues in my hair scalp, dandruff. Sometimes my scalp is very itchy and sometimes it pains also. Like rosemary suits me, so I was just thinking of going to give it a try. This is Tikta, a face Upton. I'm sure this is also very nice. And this is a Flora gel, Mogra flavor. I never used a Mogra flavor before. I generally used like this gulab gel and all, but it doesn't suit my skin. So I want to give this a try. This is a soothing sandalwood milk cold pressed butter soap. I ordered all these products for my mom only. It's just that I'm gonna be staying with her for a few days and I'm definitely going to try all these products one by one on my own. I'm sure my mom will not stop me. This is a foot salt which I ordered for my mom and there are like 2 packages. So one I give her and one I keep it for myself. And it has an amazing fragrance. ये नीम की लकड़ी से बनी हुई कोम्ब है जो मैंने अपने लिए खुद ऑर्डर किया था. For people who are facing this hair dandruff issues and any issues, if they have any issues in their scalp, if they're facing a hair fall or anything, I think everybody should opt for this neem comb. इस ब्रांड ने मुझे गिफ्ट भेजा है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. तो मुझे लगा कि मैं YouTube वीडियो पर इसके बारे में ज़रूर बताऊँगी. तो ये प्रोडक्ट है और ये नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो है. मुझे कुछ भी पेमेंट नहीं मिली है पर मैं उनके लिए ये वीडियो इसलिए बना रही हूँ because trust me guys, this product is actually very good. And so yeah, so इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ उन्होंने मुझे ये मुखालय भेजा है. I'm sure मेरी मम्मी बहुत खुश होंगी इसको यूज़ करके. She love face oils. This is a fresh whipped skin malai, the shea butter and all. I'm very excited to try this. They've sent me the same hair mask which I ordered before and I loved it. It's very good. And the Upton packet, and with this they have also presented me a lip crush, beetroot lip crush out. It's very good. So guys, these are the products and now let's go and let's present this box to my mom and see her reaction. I'm going to present this box to my mom. This is a gift to my mom from Nathan. Thank you. So I forced my mom to sit down because she was sleeping and she already knew that the order came. That is why you cannot see the excitement on her face. But वो ये प्रोडक्ट काफ़ी पसंद आया था लास्ट टाइम तो उनके लिए मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की है. मम्मी यूज़ करके बताएंगी कि इनको कैसा लगा. ठीक है. Both are going for a walk. Let's go. She just fell down with this basket. Mom is also here.